Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for all the love and support that you all are showering on all my videos. If you like my recipes and my videos and if you feel connected, then please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified of every upcoming recipes and videos. Please do share my recipes and videos with your family and friends and get them subscribing too. Check out this entire recipe that I've shared and drop your comments down, and please do like and share as well. So I'm going to put some clips of Goa Day London that we had attended on the 28th of July. It was a really amazing time seeing and having so many Goans come together and celebrate it, and also having top-notch DJs of Goa come and visit here, especially DJ Salvino, Miranda. We had DJ Jonathan, and we also had the Black Sapphire band and the legendary Lorna, whose 80th birthday was also celebrated. So I'm going to put some clips, so enjoy the clips as well. But first, let's learn how to prepare the delicious and instant chicken sukkha recipe. I've chopped 2 chicken breasts into small cubes and seasoned it with salt. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and 2 heaped tablespoons of yogurt. To this, I've added half tablespoon of kasturi methi and around 2 roughly sliced onions. Mix everything well together and leave it to marinate for 1 hour. After 1 hour, heat mustard oil in a pan, and once it's hot, add the marinated chicken pieces. To this, you add 1 black cardamom and 1 inch cinnamon stick. Mix everything well and cover to cook until the chicken releases water. Dry the water completely on medium flame. Once dried enough, add half tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and half tablespoon of garam masala. Mix everything well and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, garnish loads of coriander and serve hot. Your delicious chicken sukkha recipe is ready to be served. Do try this recipe out, and trust me, you are going to love it and you're going to prepare it almost every week.
Here we go.
I'll see you all in my next video with another interesting recipe. Until then, take care and stay safe.